Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can join an open chat in Kakaotalk application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So you need to open your Kakaotalk application. You know, open chats are chat rooms which you can join either using your Kakao account, the main account, or you can create an open chat account as well. And you can join that chat room and you can find many people there. You can add each other. You can even have one-on-one chat using open chat. So how are you going to join one? All you need to do is to tap on this icon at the top, or you can access it from tapping on more at the bottom, and here is open chat. So it will bring you here, and this is the open chat. You can go down and find the open chat that you want to join. So here are some of the example. As you can see, you can find that how many members are there in this chat, the particular chat, open chat room. And suppose I want to join one. Suppose I want to join this one. And once you tap on that one, at the bottom, you will find join open chat. So you need to tap on join open chat. And here, as you can see, you can use any of the profile. So this is my main profile, and this one I created for the open chat. So suppose I tap that one, and it will take a bit of time. And as you can see, now I joined the open chat room. From here, I can text and I can tap on the plus sign and I can use all these available options as well. The next thing that you need to do is to tap on the three lines here, and it will allow you to see the participants here. These are all the participants in this chat. If you want to talk to someone, just tap on that person, and I guess there is no option to talk to one by one here. So guys, this is all it takes to join an open chat room in Kakaotalk application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.